Many people, including me, has made significant gains investing or trading meme coins. Meme coins are so volatile that if say you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna fall prey to the market makers or the whales that move the market up and down significantly. Today, I want us to discuss on how we can 100x any meme coin out there that has good community. If say a meme coin have a good community, then we can 1000x, 100x, 10x, whatever x that meme coin. I have a strategy that I apply whenever I'm trading any altcoin out there. And if say you have been long enough in this channel or on this channel, then you know we trade altcoins or meme coins to make more Bitcoin. The profit is used to buy Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency that can guarantee your safety. I mean, the safety of your money. That's you make money and keep money. If you understand what I mean to say, making money and keeping money. So if you're new on this platform, then note that this is a place where we create content to help anyone out there who is really determined to be successful in this space. Not people who are looking to make money quicker. No, we want people, or I'm looking for people who want to understand how the crypto games work, how the crypto game works, and how they can take advantage of it. Because guys, trust me, I'm not a whale, I'm not a market maker. I'm just someone who's out there who come from a poor background. Yeah, I had little or no money growing up, but crypto has given me an opportunity to build wealth from scratch. And I want to document this journey alongside with you guys and help you guys with my experience, sharing my experience with you and applying what I do myself. So if say this sort of content interests you, then you are free to go right now and subscribe, at least like this video. The fact that I'm smiling with you, at least you should like this video. By the way, I think not all of my stream went live today. I think my stream on Facebook didn't go live and the one on X didn't go live. I don't know. Let me see. um my stream on X didn't go live. I mean to say that. So let me see if say I'm live on X now. No, I'm not live on X. I don't know if say I can add the X platform here. I think I cannot act at X. Usually I want to go live on X as well, not only Facebook. So I don't know if say I can reconnect now. I'm already live now on YouTube, but I'm live also on you on. But I want to be live on X too. I don't know how I'm gonna do this to be live on X. I don't know what happened. Um. Okay. I think I'm going to. I wanted to be live on everywhere, guys. I'm sorry that this is taking too long. Okay. Anyways, I'm just gonna do this and ignore the stuff, the X stuff. I can repost on X afterwards. But I love doing this on X as well. All right, let me go straight away to what I got for you guys today. Um, I want us to look at meme coins, but again, you know the drill. We are always gonna begin with Bitcoin, the alpha. We're gonna see what the big daddy is doing. But by the way, those of you who haven't yet follow me on Twitter, this is my Twitter, my X platform. Go and follow me on X. I've been sharing stuff here that can really help. You can see I shared this yesterday, yeah, and today I shared this yesterday. Yeah, this one was yesterday, and today this is what happened. Price get to where I anticipated. Looking at the Fibonacci retracement tool, and you can see this one as well. This was baked. Yeah, so I've been sharing stuff here on my Twitter that can really help you. Or my X, I don't know why I keep calling it Twitter. Of course, it's my X. This one I post 5 hours ago. Yeah, so yeah, go follow me on X, and I'm gonna smile at you, and yeah, we do that. So before we go to the meme section, we're gonna first of all look at Bitcoin. I want to look at Bitcoin always because Bitcoin tells me what the market might do, and those meme coins that have huge liquidity in them of course they're gonna move. And most at times I focus on those big meme coins, and then the small ones I can use my profit to buy the smaller ones, and some of it also to buy Bitcoin. So let's look at crypto bubbles and see the overall market, what is going on on the top 100 coins. Let's see. This is on the monthly time frame. Let me look at it on the daily time frame. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, now this is pair against Bitcoin. You can see the ones in green are the ones that are doing so well today, against Bitcoin, which is which is awesome. And we can see that even though the market is not doing that well, but there's some odd coins that are really holding strong. And let me see if you say there's some meme coins there holding strong as well. No, all the meme coins are not holding strong. I don't know what's going on with Solana, but you can see overview of the market and see what's going on crypto bubble. And on Banter bubble, we can go straight away and check on the meme coins. Let's go to this filter here, top 100 coins. Let's select meme coins the way are memes. So let's go to memes. Let's see what the memes are doing. Oh, almost in red. Like everything is in red. Yeah. So the memes are doing bad, this week. Or yeah, you can see. Let's look at the weekly time frame for the memes. Okay, only this one. Billy is up 191%. Tadio is up. Pepe is up 167. Hopi, Giga, Momo. Well, there are some memes that are doing so well, but today, it's not that that green. Michi is down 25%. And guys, this is the opportunity I want to share with you. Like, when you see these coins with tracing, it means investors are taking out profit, which is awesome. Bread is down 11%, Pepe is down 20%. I mean, this is the right moment to look at the market and look at market structure to see which meme coin, which to look at meme coin that has spawned before and where they are in at this point in time. You can see pop mock is down significantly 15%, which is awesome again. So we're gonna go straight away and check on Bitcoin. I want to do quickly. Bitcoin is sitting at this level. I talked about this yesterday. If I go to the lower time frame, you can see I already drew. Let me refresh this so that we can see this properly. You see, I drew this area here. Let me take this up a little bit. I drew this zone here, and I said to myself, or I said to you guys, that Bitcoin should hold. How did I come about this zone? I drew this. I took the Fibonacci retracement tool on the fib retracement tool from this bottom here, from here to where price went, and where the golden pocket is where I drew like this. I drew this area. This area was where the last zone was, and I said to myself that if price break above the golden pocket and come and reach and hold above the golden pocket or around the golden pocket, then I'm gonna know that this was just a retracement, which is normal. Like when we have seen a huge dip of Bitcoin like this, and Bitcoin, made the huge or attempt to recover, and Bitcoin didn't succeed to recover. And because Bitcoin hasn't yet kissed this 200-day moving average and the Betong moving average on the 4 hours time frame, I cannot see price going more downward. Or even if price goes more downward, it's gonna be a quick buy. Maybe it can go right down to about $57,000. Then we're gonna see quick buy right up to I think I still believe that we're gonna see Bitcoin go to $70,000. So we can also look at this year. This is the volume profile, the fixed volume profile, and we can see that maybe price can make it way, looking at the daily time frame. Maybe price can make it way to the for 2000 price point where the POC is, and also maybe right down to $38,000 per Bitcoin. But I don't see Bitcoin doing that. Of course, if Bitcoin lose this range, then maybe we're gonna see Bitcoin go right down to $57,000. But if say we see Bitcoin go down to that price point, then I think the target is gonna be $52,000. Yeah, $52,000 for Bitcoin. So that's the main area here that we can say Bitcoin it might go there before we see some sort of recovery. And if Bitcoin go to that area, then you're gonna be recovering most of these vector candles here. That you see here. So yeah, I think overall we can really say that Bitcoin, it looks somehow. You can see if I go to the let me do it here. So let me just zoom out this one, so you can see there are vectors here that Bitcoin can go to, And if that's the case, it's gonna be all coins are gonna really do bad. If Bitcoin does recover all of this vector candle, you can see this area here for the $2,000 and also $2,000. It's gonna be, yeah, wow, it's exactly. And if I showed you guys here also, you'll see that when I go to the data time for you, also see. Let me refresh this so you can see properly. You can see I'm looking. Okay, yeah, this is the area. I think price is gonna move somehow sideways towards this liquidity area, and this 800 day moving average gonna make its way right up to around $52,000. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. But if say Bitcoin is gonna go to the opposite direction, I'm still looking at Bitcoin to go and break structure before I confirm that we are back in an uptrend for Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin keep doing this sideways movement, then I think we're gonna see more pump happening with altcoins. Now, having said that, let's move straight away to CoinAng. Let's look at the chart, liquidation heat map for Bitcoin. Let's see what we might anticipate for Bitcoin for the next 3 days, the next 24 hours, the next 12 hours. For the next 3 days, you can see clearly that we are looking at this $64,000 for Bitcoin that they can push price to. Who are they? The market makers. They can push price to that area. And if we go to the weekly time frame, we can see also clearly where they can push price towards. So you can see they can bring price right down to $58,000. But look at this zone here, 64. I think they can still take price there, because this is the area that we have this yellowish area and zone. And if price is not able to break above this $64,000, then I think they can bring price back to $52,000. And if we look at this on the next 24 hours, or yeah, the next 24 hours, like daily time frame, let's see. Okay, looking at the daily time frame, I'm seeing more upside right up to around $64,000. You can see this yellowish area here. They can push price to those areas, to those zone. And if we look at the next 12 hours, we can also see where the market makers can push price to. Guys, the reason why I'm showing you all this movement is because you need to know where Bitcoin can go to help you to identify altcoins or meme coins that you can trade. Because there are meme coins that move alongside Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin moves like that, let's say Bitcoin is to move right up to this $64,000, then we're gonna see many meme coins do so well. And you need to know where the meme coins are. Like there's a meme coin here that I charted recently, and I marked some zones here that I really want you guys to see. I always say to myself that um I'm not gonna be giving my money to these market makers, scammers, who are there. Let me not call them scammers, because they're not scammers, but they are people who do a lot of inside trading, looking at like meme coins. They do more inside trading meme coins, and I don't want to fall prey to these guys. I want to always do what is right for myself. Let me see if I can log into my account. Okay, I think let me see if I can log into my account here quickly, guys. Um, okay, I'm logging, but I don't know why my chart is not giving me this. I have something on my chart, it's not giving me it. So I'm gonna switch now. I wanna go to Dex. Let me do this. I want to go back to in another browser so I have my chat set up here, and I'm not able to see it here. So I'm going to go back to a different browser so I can see my chat properly, to be able to give you guys what I have, prepared for you guys. So I'm going to go now to a different chart. Let me do this quickly. The reason why you are seeing this verification successful is because I'm using VPN, so I have to verify every week, automatically verify every website that I'm using. Okay, yeah, you see, I have all of these zones marked here. So let me go to this coin. I want to show you guys this coin is very important. You see, what I've been looking at here. So I marked these zones here. You see, yesterday I even tweeted about it. Let me go to my Twitter so I can show you guys what I tweeted about. Okay, I think I showed you at the beginning of of the show. Yeah. So when the price was pumping, I drew this Fibonacci retracement tool, and I said, let me go to what I said on my Twitter. It's very important I do this with you guys, so you won't go and quote me wrong somewhere. I clearly explained to people how or when they can get into that coin at that point in time. Let me see. Okay, let me go to my Twitter right now. Yeah. So this is my Twitter. Okay, I tweeted yesterday about this. This is how you get into BOAM. If you miss the pump, prepare for the next leg up. Follow me for more of such analysis to help you not to FOMO. Like, I'm doing this because I don't want you guys to FOMO. You can see clearly. Let me zoom out a little bit of this. You can see clearly. Look at the structure. Look at what I was looking at. And look at where price was. I realized that this was a stopping volume candle. This candle here, and I'm like, okay, looking at previous price action. This was an area where price rejected, so there was gonna be rejection there as well. Looking at this candle here, and if there's gonna be a leg up, then price should do something like this. Respect this Fibonacci retracement tool. So, price eventually get to that zone. Let's go to this area. So tweeted today that you can't make this up. My BOAM on point. So this is what happened. I'm gonna show you guys multiple charts so you can understand what I do. So this was the area you can see. Price consolidate somehow and then bounce immediately, like exactly at the value the golden pocket. Yeah, the golden pocket. So this zone here is the golden pocket and is the 0.618 zone. So you can see price bounce. And if we go now to current price action for this coin, you're gonna see where price is. And I'm gonna explain to you guys more why price is where it is right now. So this is just the thought process of like how I go analyzing the market. So looking at this now, when you are buying any meme coin, like, you have to make sure there are some tools that the meme coins respect. Maybe you are using RSI, you are using moving averages, you're using any indicator you are using, make sure that coin has respected that indicator before. Right. Now, if we are looking at this now on the 15 minutes time frame, right? And on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see what price has been doing for this coin, right? So if we go to the daily time frame, we can see something. We're gonna see something else. You won't be able to see something really nice. You see, this coin was launched, it pumped and it dumped. Most of you will see this. Oh, the coin is dumping, bro. Before you invest in the coin, you need to understand, like, how many holders are here. How many holders are here? The volume. If you see the volume, like yesterday, I realized the volume was more than 3 million. I was like, okay, if the volume is more than 3 million and they have more than 5,000 holders, back then it was around 3,000, I think about 3,000 something holders. What they have added 1,000 holders, I think is something like that. I'm like, okay, the volume is that good, and also the project. I look at how much they raised. They raised so much money, like more than $2 million doing the pre-sale on Pink Sale. I got in this project through Pink Sale. I even shared the project in my community, my Telegram group where I share everything I'm buying. I share it there. So if say you want to be part of my Telegram group to get what I'm buying, what I'm selling, you simply go to my link tree. This is my link tree. If you go to my link tree, you're gonna get everything that you need to everything you need to connect with me. Like, you can be part of my bit excuse my Bitunics community, no KYC. You can trade derivative like Bitcoin. And if say you want to get my buy and sells, alerts, what I'm buying and what I'm selling, you join my VIP community. So this is the link here. You are welcome to join, and you can explore other stuff I have here. Like you can book a free call with me to help you out. If you say you need some help with portfolio management or other stuff, I can help. We can discuss on how I can help you or what you need to solve that issues that you are going through. So hop to my link tree and you're gonna get that instantly. Now let's continue um to this. Now, looking at this, okay, I don't want to. I've seen already what price is doing here. Now I have to go to lower time frame to see how I can take advantage of price. And if I see price doing something like this, how I can see clearly is to go to even more lower time frame to see how price is respecting structure, right? And this is I'm just showing you guys like the thought process on how I go about this. Now, because price has been rejecting these zones here, and you can see the holders before it was 5,020 something, now it's 5,037. The holders keep increasing, and if the holders keep increasing and those who have made so much money are not selling, if they're not selling, like you see, most of these guys they are insiders. You can see they are insiders, like those who launched the project, the top traders. This guy made $93,000. This one made $41,000. You can see the profit here, guys. The reason I love this platform, Dex Screener, because you see the profit, you see everything that people are doing. I can even go to Solana chain and see what this person has been up to. But you can see he didn't buy anything. He didn't he haven't buy anything. It means he's an insider. I can prove it to you. Let me show you that this guy is an insider. Is someone who is part of the project. So I'm gonna click on this transaction. I'm gonna see what he has been up to. You can see he sold here, sold here, sold here, sold here, sold here. So this guy is one of those guys who dumped the project. And yeah, you can see clearly, and they had to cash out profit. Let me go to the second one. Let's go to the top trader again. You need to look at all this and see what is going on. Now let's go to the second one. This guy bought at least for maybe, I don't know if it's a bot, and he has done two transactions. He bought for 14K. So let's see where he sold. So he bought here. Okay, you see, he bought here, and he sold at the top. Okay, this is a real guy. Now, for you to see where price might bounce back, you need to look at where this guy bought the first time. He bought the year the first time. He bought again here the second time. Now, if price would have gotten to this zone here, you would have bought again more of this coin. Now, price was closer towards this golden pocket. You can see this golden pocket, and it was closer to where he bought. Now you say to yourself that okay, this guy is buying here, he's buying here. It means he knows something that we don't know. And look at how much he bought. We can go and see the two times he bought. He bought 95 with $5,000 and $9,000. The first time he bought was with $9,000, almost $10,000, and the second time was with $5,000. So if someone is buying at this point when price is dumping, then you ought to know that something fishy is going on somewhere. Remember, this other guy, the first guy was dumping, and this guy was buying. So it means that maybe they are the ones who are dumping their project, cash out the profit, and pump it again. I don't know. Because I haven't gone to the, but what I can say is we have 4,000, more than 5,000 people here who are holding this coin, and 5,000 people is not just any amount of people. So I'm gonna keep holding this coin only if I see more holders, right? And I want to see what they are doing, the marketing and all the stuff. So you have to look at all of this stuff, Then you now see, okay, if say this guy has bought here, has bought also here, then you can also buy, because that guy bought with so much money. So you might like, okay, if you see multiple transactions like that, then you want to also start thinking to buy as well, because that guy cannot just buy for more than $15,000. And look at what he made. Look at his profit. His profit is crazy, guys. 41,000. And how much he bought? He bought just for about $15,000. So you can really make money if say you follow what these guys are doing. Now I'm gonna go to another chart so I can show you guys exactly what I have been doing here with another coin called there's a new coin here that was launched baked, I think recently. I chat this coin, also pop chat. Let me just go to bake first. Let me see how long I've been streaming today. Or I've been streaming for 24. Okay, I have more. 6 minutes ago. All right. So this is another coin that I you know talk about on my X platform, and I'm going to show you guys where I bought the coin. This is big. It was launched by Crypto Banta or Banta Crypto. So let me do this. I don't know why. Okay, everything is I'm on the let me see if I can do this on the 4 hours time frame. I'm not able to get this properly. Let me stay with the 15 and go to market cap and go to full screen so you can see it properly. Let me go to full screen. Yeah, full. Now you can see this properly when it was launched, and the Banta team, said that there was someone sniped this. I'm gonna show you guys the person. He sniped this coin. He bought it for about I don't know whether it was $3,000 and made about 3 million profits. He dumped the project, yeah, and you can see after that price has been at least recovering back to at least half where he dumped it. So now for us to be able to say that this coin might recover, then this coin must respect my style of doing TA. So I plugged I brought in the volume profile, took it from down to this area. I didn't look at this the top yet because I think this was just wasn't like it was manipulation. So I focused on where the candle closed. Usually I don't do that, but in this case I decided to focus on that because this candle here is the real price action. I don't want to focus on that one. So I did this, and this was where the 0.786 zone, like it's around the 10 million market cap for big. Now, price traded on that zone multiple times. You can see it consolidated. And when price was doing this, I can see that if I go to like 15 minutes time frame, you're gonna see that price was doing something like there was some sort of divergence. You see, price was actually going like it was in an uptrend. You can see ever since price left this zone, it has been creating higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows until this zone. Then you're gonna start thinking, oh, maybe we're gonna see a huge spike to the upside, and exactly what happened. And I always say to you guys that when price leave and break structure, price must come back and test structure. If price is not able to test structure, then don't buy that coin. Wait for price to retest structure. When price, like what happened here, you see the spike up, price came down and retest structure held, and then pump again. Now, this zone is a critical zone. If price break this zone, then be rest assured that price must come back again and retest it. That's where you can buy. If say you are not already in the coin, you can wait a little bit. Maybe price can still come back here, and if price is not able to hold, then you can get out from the coin because there's high chances that price might still come here. But if say this is a good coin and they have a good community, this is a new like it was launched recently, then I think the Banta team should push the price towards an area where the community like not the team, the community, because this is a community project, like is for the community. So if they believe in the Banta community or the Banta what the Banta team does, what they do, they can then support the coin and help them to build the community, build this meme coin. They first of all launched Gummy, but I don't think Gummy. I had Gummy before. I had to sell my Gummy, and I bought this coin, the baked instead. I don't think Gummy might recover anytime soon, but I think there's still a high hope for Gummy. But for now, I think Big is gonna be the bigger player for the future. So you can see, I don't want to go and waste so much of your time. Of course, I don't waste your time. But let me show you guys the top traders. You can see this is the guy who made 3 million. You see, yeah. Actually, he bought, but you cannot see his balance because he's using a different kind of a system. So you can see he bought for $15,000, and he had 6 transactions. Let's just go so you can see. on the 4 hours time frame. Let me zoom out this so you can see where he bought, and well, this has freeze. Let me Oh, this has freeze, guys. This has frozen. Okay. I don't know if I'm frozen as well. Let me refresh this page, guys. My laptop just froze. It just froze. Oh boy. Yeah, I think I'm back. I think this is back. Maybe somebody is trying to get into my system. Then my VPN is blocking them. Don't get it. Don't get in here. Don't get in here. We don't need you. Yeah. So this is big. Let me go back to the 15 minutes time frame so we can see this. Okay. So let me go back to the top holders. I want to do this quickly. Top holders. The guy who bought for, okay, you see he bought for 15.1K. So let's see. I want to see his transactions. Let's see this. You can see, yeah. One issue that I have here is that, okay, yeah, yeah, you can see this guy. You can see here he bought here, but I'm not seeing, like, let me go to the daily time frame. So this guy made 50 million in 3 million, but I'm not seeing exactly. Let me go back to this. Okay. So they claim that he bought when it was launched, but I'm not seeing. You can see I'm not seeing. Maybe he bought here. Yeah, he bought here and he sold at. Okay, yeah, I think that's this. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Because he bought multiple times. One, two, three, four, five. You know. Let's see. Let me look at it based on the market cap. I think this is more better. If I take this down a little bit, I wanna see where this guy bought. It's like this guy had the token already beforehand. Yeah, I think this guy had the token already. You can see he was selling, 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 selling. Maybe he bought it on, like, doing pre-sale. Yeah, I think when it was launched on when it was launched on a platform. Yeah, I think I'm looking at transactions on Radium. Yeah, maybe he bought earlier when the coin was launched on one Pom.phone website, similar Pom.phone website. Yeah, so you can see this guy made 3 million. He made 3 million, and reason why I believe that Banta community can push this project is because I see more than 17,000 holders here, which means they can push a project, and the market cap is also huge to this 3 million. So yeah, to an extent, I think they can make this project become successful. But again, guys, I have to look at all of this, to help me to know what I should be doing at any given period of time. I always want to be protecting myself, not to fall prey to anyone out there. I want to also help you guys to see the bigger picture, to also understand how to go about all this stuff. You can really make money if you see where most of these meme coins are right now. Then you wouldn't want to focus on cashing the next pump. Allow those who have money to first of all pump as they did before. I showed you guys here with this coin. Let me show you with this coin. Those who have money, allow them to buy, to dump it for you. Then you buy it at a proper price. Always allow them to, don't rush, don't follow them when they are pumping the price. Always with this, always take out profit time. And when you are patient, you're gonna be eating the bigger cake, So this is how what I do, and this was a good trade here. You would have gotten this trade here, and you would have known that because of this zone here. You would have marked the zone. When price get to that zone, you sell, and then you draw this Fibonacci retracement tool. If price retrace, you buy again, and then you take profit. Guys, you just have to do this like no, it should be a strategy that you apply it every now and then. I've been streaming for so long time right now, and I see you guys. You don't even like the stream. I don't know if say the content doesn't help you or you are not getting any value, but at least do like, share. If you are getting some value from this. All right, guys. This is it for today. Hopefully, this content was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, do like and share. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye. Ciao.